Hello everyone. There are six PhD and postdoc positions available in Forschungszentrum Jülich in Germany. Uh, we can take a look more about that positions. We conduct research to provide comprehensive solution to grand challenges facing society in the three fields of health, energy, environment, information technology. So if you have background related to these fields, then you are suitable for that position. And they say that our aim is to lay the foundation for key technologies of tomorrow. If you have background related to the fields of health, energy, environment, and information technology, then you can apply for these, and I'll take you like how you can apply and what are the requirements for that. Key technologies for future, here we how we live longer in future while remaining healthy as we age. So they are addressing these questions in their research work. How will we ensure our energy supply and protect the environment at the same time? What does our future as a knowledge society look like? So in order to answer these pressing questions, society needs solutions from research solutions based on completely new ways of thinking that can only be achieved by cutting edge research tools. And then they say that our potential for meeting the objective of key technologies lies in 5,000 employees who work together in interdisciplinary manner over 200 cooperation partners in Germany and abroad, unique infrastructure and our special expertise in physics, material science, nanotechnology and information technology. So these are positions which are available. You can see, for example, if you have research interest in instrument scientist and novel neutron spectrum, so you can take a look on that position. And analysis of near surface atmospheric measurements, PhD position in CDO. So they have like position in every field, like software development, machine learning. You can take a look that. And in second page also we have some positions. So these six fellowship positions have like opened this link. Postdoc positions are also available. So this position is data management and analysis software developer, machine learning, artificial intelligence. If you have background related to that, you can apply for that position and you can take a look your task, what you have to do during that uh, PhD and your requirements. If you are applying for postdoc, then you should have PhD, and if you are applying for PhD, then you should have a master's degree, or some cases they also accept the bachelor's degree. And these are six PhD positions in the field of material science, hydrogen economy. So these, like, they are covering every field, management, modeling, physics, chemistry, biology, every field they are covering, with computer science as well. And yeah, so what you have to do is, for your application, please use online requirements. So here you can take a look. Please submit your application with relevant documentation before 31st December 2023. Only complete application will be accepted for review. These are fields and 20 more. So there are a lot of fields, you can take a look. If you have background related to these fields, then you should apply for that position. Machine learning is also there, mathematics, physics, chemistry. So if you have background related to this field, then I will recommend you that you should submit your application on their online system. Application here. 6 steps to successful application. Choose research project. Make sure you get all the information about the project. Register online. And then probably 2 letters of reference are required. Attach your documents and complete your application. So these are different projects. You can take a look. You should know that in which project you are specifically applying for. So this is one project requirements, and then apply here for that project. Similarly, you can see that okay, these 6 positions are for which project, and then submit your application. Here there is very easy process to submit your application. Enter your personal data, if you have social media accounts, and university in which you have studied before, and add your documents here, and then submit your application. If you will have any question related to that application, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll respond to your queries. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then kindly subscribe our channel. We really need your support, and yeah, thank you so much guys. Take care. Bye.